Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys we are joined by the Above 595. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I've got this hill that I live nearby. Okay, it's twisty, it's tight corners. Often there's often cyclists going up there and other cars, so it's going to be very difficult to try and get this hill alone on its own to the point where I can hit it freely. But I'm going to be starting a 3-part series of me trying to better my time by absolutely using the most out of this car as humanly possible, because this is where they shine, is those small twisty roads, windy bends. So what we're going to do today guys, we're going to measure it out in terms of the distance of this hill itself, and then we're going to give it a go. We're going to do 2 runs and obviously trace down the time, or log the time in terms of how long it takes me to do. And next week I'm going to come back again and then obviously strategize in terms of how I can do better the next time. And we're going to do a 3-part series to this to try and top off that number, of course safely. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, very tight bends. Alright guys, so we are busy doing the speedometer. We've got it right here, you can see. Don't know if you can see that. We're measuring it from the way down first. It's a very twisty, tight road guys. The issue is other drivers, it's not even the hill. It's just being so mindful of obviously cars oncoming, curbing your wheels. And one of the biggest things on this road has got to be cyclists guys. 0.3 miles so far, 0.4 miles, still going quite a bit, nearly 1 mile. Very tight corners guys. Any bigger and this car would be struggling to move around here, so I'm very grateful that I have the small car that I do. Alright guys, so this is going to probably be 0.9 miles. Pull in here. Yeah, 0.9 miles guys, I can confirm. We are just resetting the clock. Just buying myself some time guys. Okay, chevron. Clock has started. Got to be careful because the road pulls you off as well, off canter. So there's lots of things going on here guys. Oy. This is where these cars really do shine. Trying to leave it in that gear 3 boost. Oh, it's these little mounds that throw you off. Hopefully we don't have any cars. 1 minute 10 to get 0.9 miles done. And you just never know what's around the corner. 126. Let's call it here. 131, guys. 131. The hardest thing about this, guys, is just getting the timing right. I'm pretty much timed it so that it's on average 2 minutes a car to get to the top. Well, maybe 2.5 for slow pokes. But yeah, I'm literally just going to wait until we get to maybe 1.5 minutes on this. Trying to beat 1 minute 31, I think. Yep. Here we go. Alright guys, chevron, 3, 2, 1. These mounds, guys, they throw you off. Oh! And I would probably say 128 on that, guys. 128. So we shaved off a good 3 seconds. That one did feel much nicer, much smoother. Backfire, guys. Woo! Oh, tight corner. Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys is Spaghetti Hill Climb time trial number 2. It's a very busy day. It's sunny, that means there's going to potentially be loads of cyclists and yeah, lots of congestion. So the matter of trying to get the time trial done correctly and amongst other human beings is going to be difficult, but guys, we're going to try to smash it out. Beautiful day. Also guys, the current time to beat is 1 minute 28. Okay, 1 minute 28 seconds. It's going to be very hard to shave time off on this type of trial run or time trial, primarily because it's a very small road, and especially the busier it is, the harder it is. So that makes it more fun, right? Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to attempt run number 1. The time to beat is 1 minute 28. And there are going to be cyclists on this route, I can just tell. This is going to be a tough one, guys. Clock starting now. still on time, guys. We could beat this. Very slim chance though, folks. We are stuck behind an absolute snail. Oh, that took us 145 behind these guys.
I fall in a deep dark space. They say things get better. Just hold your time and wait. But it feels like I'm waiting forever. I'm ready to end this pain. Close my eyes and fade away. Fade away.
Again, guys, this is just about trying to time this all right. Trying to see if there's a car coming there. Bear in mind, we've got that cyclist halfway up the damn hill and they take forever. Here comes two cars. Alright guys, clock is starting now. Guys, I reckon if we didn't have that cyclist in the way, that was a definite steal. The last one. I'm hiding behind my car, guys, because it is windy up on this hill. I am freezing and you wouldn't be able to hear me if I was standing up normally like now. I'm not sure if you can, but we have a little bit of sun, guys. We're making the most of it. We've got the viewpoint here overlooking basically the area that I live in. But guys, this hill climb was by far the best one. We were absolutely hammering it, and it's just a matter of trying to get it right. The roads are narrow, it's very tight corners, they're a little bit wet, so I was sliding around, but guys, we managed to get it done. Stay locked in. Let's go! So I'm going to start this because this car's coming past. We need 2 minutes on here between cars, because some cars go up slower, some cars go up faster. But the clock is starting now. It's on my phone. Doesn't help with the wet roads, guys, because she's shifting over. 1 minute 10, guys. 1 minute 10. We would absolutely be beating this time if it weren't for these cars. 1 minute 20, and the top is right here. We would so have beaten that time. 1 minute 28. Guys, we absolutely had that in the bag. Alright guys, we're ready for run number 2. This has got to be the final one. This has got to work, because I do not want to do this again. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Baby, let's go! Woo! 113. Come on. 120. Yeah, buddy! Woo! That, my friends, is how it's done. Persistence pays off, guys. Whoo! That was hot. Yeah, boy. Righty guys, so that is Spaghetti Hill Climb number 3 wrapped up. We have managed to beat our time, and it was absolutely, it wasn't smooth. It took me forever to get the shot because I had to wait for the cars to go. But guys, what an awesome video. I personally enjoyed hammering the cars. It's always nice to see what they're fully capable of. But guys, stay locked in. There's going to be more hill climbs coming. There's going to be more time trials being done to see what these cars can do, guys. A Bar 595 Turismo. Yeah, buddy! So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit a like and a subscribe if you have not already. I am still hiding behind the car, guys, because I'm literally shivering. I'm shaking up here. But anyways guys, I will see you in the next video. As always, lekker bar.